What if the right pixie cut could take 10 years off your look without losing the confidence that comes with being over 50? In 2026, pixies aren't just cute. They're powerful, modern, and ridiculously flattering if you choose the right one. And today, you're about to see the cuts that will shape next year's biggest hair trend. This video is your shortcut to the best 2026 pixie ideas, how they should actually be cut, and which version will fit your personality, your comfort level, and your lifestyle. Let's jump in. So let's start strong with the first pixie that's going to dominate 2026. The soft layered pixie is one of the most flattering cuts for 2026, especially for women over 50 who want something light, gentle, and easy to maintain. This style frames the face in a very soft way that doesn't overpower your features or create that sharp, boxy look that can sometimes feel too severe. The layers should be carefully feathered around the ears with a little extra length at the crown. This small detail makes a big difference because it adds the lift that many of us start losing as our hair becomes finer. Ask your stylist for soft, controlled texturizing instead of aggressive thinning. Heavy thinning can make the top look flat or stringy, which takes away the fullness you want. Light texturizing keeps the shape intact and gives the cut movement without creating gaps. The soft-layered pixie feels feminine, airy, and very current. It works especially well if you're someone who wants a cut that looks good with minimal styling and still gives a fresh, youthful vibe. Now that we have the softer option covered, let's move into a style with a little more character. The Wispy fringe pixie is a strong 2026 favorite because it softens the entire face, especially for women over 50 who want a lighter, more open look. The fringe sits gently on the forehead and blends into the sides with airy movement that brings a natural lift to the eyes. This type of fringe works well when you want softness without feeling like you are hiding behind your hair. It gives a refreshed look that feels effortless and never harsh. The fringe should be kept light and easy, not thick or heavy. A blunt fringe can make the look feel too dense, so it is better to maintain a soft, piecey texture that moves with you. It should show a relaxed, natural front so the style feels modern instead of sharp or stiff. Many women notice that short hair can sometimes look too strict or too structured, and the wispy fringe solves that instantly. It creates a gentle frame around the eyes that feels friendly and youthful without trying too hard. Now that the softer styles are covered, it is time to shift into something with more edge and attitude. The edgy undercut pixie is the bold option that still feels very wearable for women over 50. It has a confident look that shows personality without trying too hard. This style has become a strong choice for 2026 because it brings back that sense of energy and fun that many women want when they decide to go short again. The sides and back are tapered very close to the head, which instantly creates a clean shape and removes extra bulk that can weigh the style down. Keeping the top longer gives you movement, texture, and height, and it adds a nice contrast that lifts the face. The key to this cut is maintaining the difference between the shorter sides and the longer top. There should be a clear change in length instead of blending everything together. The contrast gives the cut its youthful feel and makes the style look intentional rather than too neat or too safe. The longer top also gives you room to play with different finishes. You can smooth it down, keep it messy, or push it to one side for a soft lift. It works well for women who want a lighter haircut that does not need much daily effort but still has a strong personality. This cut is also great for anyone who deals with flat or thinning hair. Removing bulk on the sides helps the top stand out, which creates the appearance of more volume. The shape brings attention upward and keeps the overall silhouette fresh and modern. It is a strong choice if you enjoy a little edge or want to change things up without feeling like the cut is too extreme. Now that the bold option is out of the way, it is a good time to shift into something that leans softer, but still has that relaxed, stylish feel. The tousled grown-out pixie is the relaxed, easygoing style that feels perfect for women over 50 who want a cut with personality, but not a lot of fuss. It has that lived-in look that feels confident and stylish without looking overdone. In 2026, this grown-out effect is planned and shaped carefully, not something that happens by accident. The length usually sits right around the ears, which keeps the style soft and flattering. The crown layers are kept slightly longer to give a gentle lift that opens the face and adds movement without relying on heavy styling products. The charm of this pixie is in its texture. It should show loose, slightly messy pieces instead of a smooth, brushed finish. The goal is controlled softness that looks natural and relaxed. This texture helps camouflage fine hair, especially if your strands have become lighter or more delicate over the years. Instead of fighting for perfect placement, this cut embraces a little looseness, which makes everyday styling simple and realistic. A quick scrunch with a lightweight cream or soft mousse is often enough to bring the whole shape together. This cut is also a great option if you enjoy a softer silhouette that does not feel stiff or sculpted. It gives the impression of movement even on days when you are in a rush, which makes it practical for daily life. It also grows out gracefully, so you do not feel pressured to return to the salon as often. It is a forgiving style that works with the natural way your hair settles, rather than forcing strict shape and control. Now that the relaxed texture is covered, it is a good moment to move into something more polished and refined. The sleek sculpted pixie is becoming a go-to choice for 2026, especially for women over 50 who appreciate a clean, refined look that never feels overdone. This cut brings out the natural shape of the head in a very flattering way. The back follows the curve of the head closely, which gives a smooth outline and keeps the whole style looking intentional. It creates a neat, graceful frame that works well whether your hair is silver, blended, or fully grey. The top is kept longer so the style has a bit of softness and lift. This helps the cut sit nicely around the face instead of looking too tight. A longer top also gives you room to adjust the finish depending on the day. Some women keep it sleek and controlled, while others add a little movement for a softer look. It should show a smooth, polished surface that still feels natural, nothing sharp, spiky, or separated. The goal is a glossy, purposeful finish that highlights the shape without making the hair look stiff. This style works nicely if you want something that looks put together with very little effort. A bit of light cream or serum usually keeps the hair in place and adds shine. Many women like this cut because it feels mature in a confident way, not in an old-fashioned way. It highlights the cheekbones, opens the face, and gives a sense of balance that is flattering on almost every face shape. It also grows out smoothly, which is helpful if you do not want to be in the salon every few weeks. The shape softens slowly instead of collapsing all at once, so you have more flexibility with maintenance. It is a great option if you enjoy structure but still want something comfortable and wearable. Now that the polished style is covered, it is the perfect time to move into a pixie that focuses on fullness and lift. The Voluminous Crown Pixie is one of the most reliable cuts for 2026 if you are dealing with thinning hair or hair that has slowly lost its natural lift. Many women over 50 notice that the top starts to collapse more easily, which can make the whole style look flat. This pixie solves that by putting the fullness exactly where it is needed. The crown is shaped with stacked layers that create height and gentle movement. It brings the focus upward, which instantly brightens the face and gives a more lifted appearance. The sides are kept slimmer so the crown looks fuller without adding unnecessary width. This balance is important because it keeps the cut from looking round or puffy. When the sides stay lean, the volume on top looks elegant and intentional. Ask your stylist for over-direction when cutting the crown. This simple technique helps your layers sit upward and stay full even on days when your hair feels a little stubborn. It keeps the shape from collapsing and helps the style maintain its lift between salon visits. It should highlight the shape by showing fullness at the top that gently slopes toward the nape. This creates a soft line that is very flattering for mature faces. It naturally elongates your features and makes the silhouette look lighter. Many women love this shape because it gives the illusion of thicker hair without needing heavy products or complicated styling. A quick blow dry at the roots or a little root lifting cream is usually enough to bring the whole cut to life. This pixie is also very forgiving during grow out. The volume gradually softens rather than disappearing all at once, so the cut stays flattering for longer. It is a comfortable option if you want something youthful but not high maintenance. The shape communicates energy without looking forced, and it works beautifully with grey, silver or blended tones. Now that the full and lifted style is covered, it is a good moment to move into a pixie that gives a softer, more relaxed finish. The curly textured pixie is a beautiful option for 2026, especially if you have waves or curls that you have spent years trying to tame. This trend finally embraces what your hair already does well. Instead of smoothing everything down or cutting it too short, the goal is to work with your natural pattern so the curls sit softly and frame your face in a flattering way. Many women over 50 find that their curl pattern changes over time. Some curls loosen, others tighten, and some areas become finer. This cut respects that shift and shapes each curl in a way that feels intentional and flattering. The curls should be cut in small, carefully shaped layers. This prevents that wide triangle shape at the sides that so many curly hairstyles fall into. Keeping the sides lighter helps the style stay balanced while allowing the curls on top to shine. A few soft layers at the crown give height without creating heavy volume that can overwhelm your features. It should show definition at the top, with the curls forming gentle, natural shapes. There should also be a light taper at the neckline so the cut flows smoothly without looking bulky or abrupt. This pixie has a youthful energy that feels playful and full of personality. It does not feel overly sculpted, and it definitely does not feel severe. The soft movement brings life to your features, and the natural texture adds dimension that many women appreciate as their hair starts to lose density. A little curl cream or a quick scrunch after washing is usually enough to bring out the shape. It is the kind of cut that makes you feel like you are working with your hair instead of constantly fighting against it. It is also a very comfortable option if you want something short but not too close to the head. You still get softness around the face and a gentle frame that highlights your eyes and cheekbones. As the curls grow out, the shape softens gradually, which makes maintenance easier and avoids that awkward in-between stage many short cuts can have. So which of these pixies do you see yourself trying first? And if you enjoyed this video, you will definitely love this next one.